Hey guys, today we're making a barbecue chicken pizza. This pizza has been in my family literally since I was a child, and it's so good. Like, it's really, really good, so I'm going to share it with you guys. So we're going to start by taking some shredded chicken and adding some barbecue sauce to it. You're going to want 2 different barbecue sauces for this recipe, just because it adds more flavor since it is barbecue-based meal. But you're gonna just add barbecue sauce until your shredded chicken is completely coated. I had 1 chicken breast that I used for this entire pizza, shredded up. And so just whatever way you like to shred your chicken. So then after we do that, we're gonna take a store-bought pizza crust. We're making it as easy as possible. This one that I use is like Bertolli, I think, and it's got some cheese on it, but we're going to use the barbecue sauce that we used on the chicken and then a second barbecue sauce, so about a cup of barbecue sauce, and then spread it out. Make sure you give room so that you have a crust of your pizza, so basically just like giving like an inch at the end. So once you spread out your barbecue sauce, we're going to add our shredded chicken back to it, and then you're going to take about a half can of sliced black olives and then spread those all out on there. If you don't like black olives or don't like that much, just do less. I love black olives, so I'm here for it. And then we're going to take a small bag, and yes, a full one of the Mexican blend shredded cheese, and you're just going to sprinkle that all over the top of it. I had a hard time getting my bag open. I had to like try and rip it and cut it, and it was just a pain, but I finally got it. And so you're literally just going to sprinkle all of that over the top. It looks like a lot of cheese. I promise you it's not. It's the perfect amount. So then we're going to take it and we're just going to stick it in our oven, and you literally only have to cook it at 425 for 10 minutes. My oven is really old and it's really tiny because it's in an RV and really dirty, and those stains don't come off, so don't come after me about it. But once it's done, it should look like this, and then that's it. All you have to do is cut it up and eat it with your favorite ranch. I do have a recipe on the channel for some homemade ranch if you want to use it. Completely up to you, but it's so good. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit. We'll see you guys next time.